Hi, my name is Jason Engel, and today I'm going to be talking about my user manual that I have created for the Server Skills Module 6, Trello. Trello is a web-based project management that you're able to use anywhere, wherever you have internet access. Here's my table of contents that I have created, and talking about features of Trello. Here, I'll navigate to the link that I have provided. I'll switch this around. Here, you're able to create an account if you don't have an account, and I already have an account, so I'll just sign in with my information. You're able to sign up for free. And the free version, have unlimited boards, unlimited list, unlimited cards, unlimited members I can have on my boards. I can also have unlimited checklist, unlimited attachments, but I only can have up to 10 megabytes only per attachment, and also one power off. And after you have created an account, you're able to log in. So I'll go to my boards here. And here, the basics of Trello. You got your boards here that I clicked on. A board represents a project or a place to keep track of information. A Trello board is a place to organize your tasks and collaborate with your colleagues, family, or friends. Lists are here. In this example right here, I'll show you my user manual. List examples. List keeps cards organized in your various stage of progress. They can be used to create a workflow where cards are moved across the list from start to finish, or simply as act as a place to keep track of ideas and information. In this, you're able to see what a list is, and then a basic but official list setup for a board might be simply to do, doing, and done, where cards that start in the to-do list and make their way to the done list. Cards, uh, see, it'll be like this right here. The fundamental unit of a board is a card. Cards can be used to represent tasks and ideas. A card can be something that needs to get done, like a blog post to be written, or something that needs to be remembered, like company vacation policies. And D, menu on the right hand side. On the right hand side of your Trello board is a menu. The missions control center for your board. The menu is where you manage members, control settings, filter cards, and enable power-ups. You can also see all the activity that has taken place on a board in the menu's activity feed. So back to the website. You can create a new board by clicking create new board right here. So you click create it. Here you can enter the title and pick your background. You can change it if you want to be public or private right here, but you can do it later if you don't know yet. So in the meantime, I'll create a title and Server Skills. I'll create it out here. I can pick my backgrounds, and I kind of like this waterfall, so I'm gonna pick that waterfall and click create board. And here's my board. And uh, once created, you can start adding a list by clicking add a list. Here I'm able to add my list, so I'm gonna do module 1 for Server Skills. And I can also, I gotta click add the list. And after that's great, I can add another list. So do module 2, click add a list, and etc. You can have as many as you want, free version. And you can also add a card to that list by clicking add a card. So for my module 1, I can do the class quiz. And click add card, and after that's created, that should be added to that list. And by clicking on the card, it will bring up more options. So I can click on the card. Here you can see I got some description, add a comment, activity. I can also add due dates on the right hand side. And if I messed up, I can hover over this button right here, click on that pencil. I can re-edit the name. I can click move, and the board is service skills. I can change to list 2 and position 1 and move. And there you can see that I moved it to module 2. Then you can also invite members to the your board. So if you go to the right hand side or right above you're able to click invite to board. So you have the person's email and you're able to add their email to this board and click send invitation, and they'll just have to accept it. And here, if you didn't know if you wanted private or public, here you're able to change it to private, public, team, or public. For right now, I'll just keep it private. And for the power-ups that you're able to use in this, on the right-hand side of the menu, you can click power-ups. Here you have different features that you're able to click, but right now I'll go to board utilities, and I'll click add this calendar. Once I add the calendar, it'll pop up here right next to the menu, and I can click on the calendar, and here I can have enter due dates, see when things are due and stuff, and say I can add a card to it and say checking in with everybody, hoping people are getting their homework done by the end of the semester. Time, and click add, and that has added to the calendar, as you can see. And for when we're in this power-ups, we're only able to have one power-up unless we can upgrade to business class. And the business class cost is $9.99 per user every month, when paid annually. This is an exclusive of all the features that the free version of Trello has to offer. On top of those, it is also equipped with unlimited power-ups, unlimited file attachments, up to 250 megabyte per attachment, collection tools, one-click access removal, public and private board control, restricted membership invitations, customer backgrounds, stickers, and priority email support. And I won't be able to show you what the business class all has because I have not paid for that upgrade for my Trello. And there's also actually another upgrade that you're able to buy is enterprise class, $20.80 or less per user slash month. And one paid annually. This is inclusive of all the tools offered in free and business class. It also has the following features that free and business class does not: single sign-on, two-factor authentication, dedication account executive, file encryption, legal contract review, intrusion detection, customer security review, and enhanced SLA, onboarding assistance, and priority email and phone support. And for this Trello, you're able to access it on the web browser, and you can also download it on your mobile device. And it also supports a Mac OS, and that you're able to use it on an Apple and a Windows computer. So I hope you enjoyed this user manual and hope you learned some stuff about Trello. And if you have any questions, just give me a call or send me an email. Thank you. Bye.